So Calhoun Cattle Company started in 1980. My parents at the age of 26 and 22 made the move from Ontario to start custom feeding in Alberta. And their slogan was custom feeding with personal care. And we take that through with us every single day we come to work. I wanted to tell people to break the mold of what some people think a feedlot looks like. See our extremely clean facilities, see how comfortable and happy the cattle are. We have to allow people in to further educate them of what we do and how safely we produce this form of protein. I think in North America, we're leading sustainability. As a cattle feeding industry, sustainability to me means we have to feed cattle more efficient, but also reduce our environmental impact. So for us, to stay sustainable, we've had to adopt new technologies. It just allows us to do a much better job of managing our feeds, our inventories. We're saving 45 minutes to an hour a day just on software alone. Sustainability is important so that my family and kids, as they continue to feed cattle and stay in the cattle feeding industry, can progress and do a better job than what I'm even doing today. Also, the other side of it is the products that we use now in the cattle feeding industry. The science that's gone into those products has reduced our days on feed. It's made the cattle more efficient. It's kept the cattle more healthy. So I feel we've done a much better job on those aspects than we ever used to. Products like Experior are super exciting. We're going to be able to see how it's going to adopt into our operations and all the while watching it reduce our days on feed, keep the cattle more efficient. Our visits with our Elanco reps will actually get right down to how we can progressively continue to do better, and the fact that we'll look at our benchmark program and bring up a report and say, here's how Calhoun Cattle Company is stacked up in Western Canada, and here's how they stack up in North America. Elanco has drastically impacted our profitability because of their products and how they make us more efficient to do better. Calhoun Cattle Company has fed cattle for 40 years, and Elanco's products have been on board with us the whole time. Elanco provides us products and information to stay profitable in the cattle feeding industry.